Why are you here? Why are you here? Why are you here in this environment today? So I ask you, why are you here? Why are you here? You broke out of your shell. Why did you break out of your shell?
Because I noticed that like being shy, you don't really get anywhere.
Being shy, you don't really get anywhere. So why are you here?
Because I kind of got back to my shyness again, so.
Oh, why'd you go back to your shyness?
I kind of been in a depressing state right now, so.
Good point. A depressing state, so you went back into your shyness. Okay, good. That's good. I like that.
I just realized that you were actually asking me my opinion.
Oh, why are you here? Oh, stare. I like that.
But I'm honestly, I'm serious about that now, actually. Taking one separate courses helped you graduate faster, but two, I also like the way you delivered. Well, I'm here to get my degree, to graduate, to get a job.
Get a job.
But I'm in the summer courses, want to get through it all faster, so I get out quicker.
So you
I
get
also,
through faster.
and I'm in this class specifically because I like the way you, I don't know the word, deliver the class, I guess.
Okay, all right. Like the structure of
Yeah.
the class. Okay. Not good enough. Why are you here?
Don't answer though.
Yeah, that's my
Because
answer.
we're here because we need the credits, right?
Yeah.
And once you get here, you see that it's more than that.
So you go into math class. Why?
So we have the tools and skill sets needed to perform in a professional environment, and I know what you're doing. So I'm here in this speech class because I want to get the skill sets and, develop a way of communicating effectively to whoever I might work for in the future, or it's just going to help me out in the future.
How will it help you out in the future?
Well, I want to go into veterinary care and be a vet, and I know I'm going to have to talk to people and tell them things that they need to hear, don't want to hear, or whatever, and I need to, have the skills needed to tell them, whatever is pertaining to the situation.
That's why he's here. That's why I'm here. That's why he's here. Did you hear it? What did he say?
For his own benefit, for his future career?
Yeah, for his own benefit in his future career. But here, that's specific. Did you hear how specific he was? In what field?
Veterinarian.
Veterinarian. And why does he need to communicate?
Because he's going to meet various people who are going to need communication to figure out what is wrong.
Right. And what is it that you do?
Take care of animals.
Take care of animals.
And that's not everybody knows how to do that.
Not everybody knows how to take care of an animal. And when you don't know how to take care of an animal, what happens? It dies. So, why is he here? To learn how to help people take care of animals so they don't die before their time. That's why. Good reason to be here. Why are you here? Why are you here?
First, because it was required.
Yeah, we got all that.
And second,
Yeah, what's the second, which is the most important?
to become better at my speech, to become capable of swindling customers into more
plastic surgery. My major is in biology. I'm going plastic surgery.
Ooh,
Yeah.
plastic surgery. Wow. Very cool.
That's funny.
That's the money.
That's some good money doing that. Yeah. Everybody's made once in a while.
I actually made 2017 more men than women are getting plastic surgery.
Everybody got excited.
What'd they get excited about?
The money.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a shame.
Yes, it is.
It's really a shame. You all got excited because, oh, there's a lot of money in that. And I'm going, yeah, okay, I need to know more. First of all, in here, be careful what you say to yourself. It's no joke. What did he say in the very beginning?
Something about swindling customers.
Swindling customers. Don't joke with yourself. Out there, you can do anything you want. In here, I'm going to coach you, if you allow me the honor. Don't joke with yourself. Because when he said that word swindle, I cut off. But then I said, okay, I'm not here to cut off from him. I knew he was joking, but the subconscious cannot take a joke. I'm poor. I'm broke. No, don't communicate that to yourself, because that's where you'll stay. That's where you'll stay. I'm poor, I'm broke. Communicate to yourself. Different place. Now, after he said it was a joke and went on, because it was no joke, because then I'm thinking, okay, he gets all these degrees and he gets and he's got to practice. I say, yeah, but I'm not going to. Because I don't know whether he still thinks that, or I say, how much is that, Doc? And he says, and I'm going, I remember him years ago. And he said swindle, so he's probably still in that mindset. Don't joke with yourself. Not like that. Joke with yourself the other way if you want. I am so wealthy I don't know what to do. Joke with yourself that way. A friend of mine says, I saw him and he's best with the ladies. He was so smooth, so great. And I hadn't seen him for about 20 years. And I saw him again. And I said, hey, how you doing? He was still talking about it because he was really good. He was a smooth talker, whatever. And he's good at it. And he knows it. I'm just a little, I can't dance, I can't do anything. He's just so smooth. Looks good. All that stuff. But he knows it. And he's good at that. Been married for a long time. Runs around with other ladies. He's allowed to or whatever. But he knows he's good at it. I said, wow. I'm nowhere even near you. So don't do that in here. I can say that in here. Out there, do whatever. But then afterwards, then you say, oh, that's a great, boy, you make a lot of money. Oh, wow, it's fabulous. Okay, now I'll tell you, this is not my lesson plan. What is money? I say, why are you here? And once again, when we come back, I'm going to be you're going to be talking about your 3 passions for tomorrow. And the money, you all go, oh, because I was just reading this morning again. And I went, oh, I've got to use this with my money lesson. He has all the money. He's a surgeon. Darn good one. The best. He has all the money. He can retire anytime. He's 30. And he can retire. Does he retire? Why doesn't he retire? Why doesn't he go and hang out on the beach? Why doesn't he go buy? He's got all these cars. He's taking care of his family. Everything is fine. Why does he still get up at 5 o'clock in the morning to go into work? Period. What is money? Symbol. One word. Money is a symbol.
Yeah, but money could be a
Hold on. Yeah, but. He likes to do that. Yeah, but. Listen to what I'm saying. It took me years to get it. Money's the symbol. That's all. What is it he does? How does he do it? Adding value to other people's lives, making them look good, feel good about themselves. That's money. If he makes her feel good, well, no, I'll use myself. Makes me feel good by nip, tuck, whatever, and I feel good, then I pay him. He would do it for free, but I pay him. It's this, and he gets these symbols of how good he is and how he added value to my life. That's money, which you have the capacity right now. Bring in these symbols. But it's got to come from, he's got to add value to my life. Add huge value to my life. If he doesn't add value to my life, then you don't make the symbols. The symbols don't come. That's money. You have the money now. That's why I said, okay, the other day I said, okay, I give you $15 million. And you go, what? What does that mean? Okay, I have the money. The symbol. But now today, I'm going to say, okay, what is the value? What are you giving me that you're passionate about? What are you giving me? You have it. What is it? Oh. Does he add value to people's lives? Well, with what his passion is? With what his passion is? Can he make millions of dollars? Oh, now, see, he says probably not. No, and he says depends. I didn't ask you that question. I say, can he make millions of dollars? He's a veterinarian. Or takes care of pets for people. Can he make millions of dollars? More than me. He could. But first of all, he says, what was the word you just used? I just repeated? I doubt it. What did he just say? Who was it?
Oh, probably not.
Probably not. Then he won't. CEOs. Then he will not. Simple. If he says, of course, all he has to do is help as many people as he possibly can with their animals. Big, small, in between, doesn't matter. If he helps more people, he gets those symbols. My point, don't focus on money.